If you've ever sent money on Cash App and realized you made a mistake, don't panic. You might still have time to stop it. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to cancel a pending cash out and what to do if the cancel option isn't available. Stay with me till the end because knowing both steps can save you a lot of trouble. First, open the Cash App and tap the Activity tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll see all of your recent transactions. Find the payment you want to cancel and tap on it. In the top right corner, look for the small menu icon. If cancellation is possible, you'll see a Cancel Payment button. Tap it, confirm, and you're done. Your money will not leave your account. But what if you don't see the cancel option? That means the payment has already started processing, and the only way to get your money back is by requesting a refund. Here's how. Tap the recipient's profile, then start a new payment request for the exact amount you accidentally sent. In the notes section, clearly explain that it was an accidental payment and you're requesting a refund. One important tip, Hinachis act as quickly as possible. The sooner you try to cancel or request a refund, the higher your chances of success. And that's it. By checking for the cancel button first and knowing how to request a refund, you're giving yourself the best shot at recovering your money. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and check the description for other Cash App tips.